Right, sixth grade. So for your bubble letter, we're gonna go ahead and start with drawing the skeleton of your letter so it touches top, bottom, side, side as much as possible on your paper. All right, remember, we're going to draw the skeleton super lightly because it's going to be erased later on. All right, so by skeleton, I mean your letter as a line rather than a shape. Okay, so this is what I have so far. It pretty much fills the space. Okay, from here we're going to go ahead and draw a line around the perimeter. So that means all the way around this the skeleton here. And remember, we want to make the line around it even distance from the skeleton on both sides. Okay. Again, I'm going to keep this lightly as I sketch it because I know I'm going to make lots of mistakes. All right. Remember, for a bubble letter, anytime you get to the end of, or where the letter ends, you are going to curve your shape. So I'm getting to the end here, so I'm going to curve this. And then as I come up the other side, what I'm going to start thinking about is I'm going to think about the space. Is it even distance from the skeleton to what I'm drawing? And the answer is, I think so. I'm going to curve this inside part. And again, when I get to where the letter itself ends, I'm going to curve it. All right. And then when I get to this middle part of the letter, again, I'm trying to keep it even distance from my skeleton. I'm also going to round this interior space and think about the overall width. Is it even width? Okay. Now at this point in time, sometimes in order to tell if your letter is even width on all the sides, I like to erase my skeleton. Okay, so I'm going to do that really quickly. And that is going to help me kind of eyeball it and see if there's anything I need to fix or change. All right, so like for example, if this width does not match this top part, I may go back and alter and change it. All right, so again, it's really helpful to keep that skeleton light because it gets erased later on. Okay, so this is the beginning of my bubble style letter. Let me kind of look at it really briefly. It looks like I just need to make a really quick change on this side. Looks like this leg is just a little bit too wide. I'm gonna erase that. And also, sixth grade, you want to make sure that the bottom part of your letter matches the top part, okay, in terms of width. So does this width match this one? All right. And once I am satisfied with how my letter is sketched, I'm going to make my line just a little bit darker so I can see it. And right now, I have a very nice bubble letter shape. Okay, so I've drawn my letter as a shape. It touches top, bottom, side, side, even width, all the way around. I've crafted it nicely. And I think right now this is as good as it's going to get.